Hello, this time we will talk about Korean consonant. So first, let's talk about the pronunciation. I will pronounce these consonants, so repeat after me. M, B, P, B, N, D, T, D, L, S, S, J, Ch, J, G, K, G, H. Okay, so this is the pronunciation of Korean consonant. The first thing you should know is this kind of things. If we see these consonants, there are some consonants like this, which looks like double of this single consonant. So these consonants are called double consonants, and when you pronounce double consonant, you pronounce it stronger than when you pronounce this single consonant. So the second one, this is pronounced B sound. So when you pronounce it, you should say B sound, B. Yes, so this is same. This is the sound. So this will be the sound, the. Like you can also understand when you pronounce double consonant, you can pronounce it with the high pitch, like the. This is the, and this double consonant is the. Like that, you can also think, this is when we pronounce double consonant, it is more high pitch and more strong sound. And there is also double consonant here and here. It is pronounced S, and this is pronounced J. Yes, as you can hear, it's a stronger sound than we pronounce this single consonant, I mean. And this is also G, and this is G. And when I pronounced it, I pronounced this ng. But actually, the circle consonant is silent, so it doesn't have any sound. But there are some cases where this circle consonant has a sound, and that is when the circle consonant is placed in the bottom. We will talk about it later. But if we see it now, in Korean, there are things called last consonant. Last consonants are in one syllables. In one syllables, if there are consonants in the bottom, these are called the last consonant. So if circle is placed like this, like in the bottom of one syllables, then this circle has a sound, and the sound is ng, the ing sound, ng. Yes, so these are things that you need to know with this pronunciation. So now we know, with the previous video, we know Korean vowel system, and now we know Korean consonant. So if we combine these two, you can actually make words. For example, this. There are these words. This means letter. So Now we can pronounce this word because we know in one syllabus, now we know consonant and also we know vowel. How do we pronounce this consonant? This is s, right? S. And this vowel is a, right? So when you pronounce this, it is pronounced sa. Yes. And this is d, and this is also a. So when you pronounce this one syllabus, it'll be ta. And same for last syllabus. These syllabus, this consonant has a sound l, and this vowel has a sound e. So when you pronounce it, you combine this, so it'll be li. So this whole word will be pronounced sa, ta, li. Yes, so like this, you can pronounce any other words that does not have ending consonant, because we didn't learn it yet. But if after we learn the ending consonant sound, basically you can pronounce any Korean words or sentences. So before we finish this video, I have one more things to explain. It's about writing. So there are, if you see Korean letter, the syllables, there will be some case where we put the consonant left side, like this. In this case, we put the circle consonant on the left side, right? But there is also case where when we put the consonant on the top, like this. Oh, like this. So how we know when we put the consonant on the left and when we put on the consonant on the top? We will talk about it now. So in Korean, there are vowels that has a vertical line, which means this kind of vowel. If we see it, all of it includes these vertical lines, right? Like this, if the vowel contains the vertical line, we put the consonant on the left side, like this. Like this. And there are also cases where when the vowel has horizontal line, like this. Can you see? There are horizontal line here, here, here. In this case, the consonant placed on the top, like this. Yes, if we see, the consonant is placed on the top. So like this, you can distinguish where if the vowel contains the vertical lines, we put the consonant on the left side. But if the vowel contains a horizontal line, we put the consonant on the top. So like this, you can distinguish and write Korean words more correctly. Okay, so today we talked about Korean consonant sound and how to read Korean words that contains consonant and vowels. And lastly, we talked about how to write syllables. So let's review this well, and we will see next time. Thank you.